Hello there. Here are 10 vocabulary words and common phrases for a project status review meeting for you to learn.
Progress refers to the forward or onward movement towards a goal or objective. Example: the team's progress on the project has been impressive. We've completed most of the tasks ahead of schedule. Milestone: a milestone is a significant event or point in a project that marks a key achievement or progress. Example: reaching the milestone of launching the new website was a major accomplishment for our company. Deadline: a deadline is a specific time or date by which a task or project must be completed. Example: we need to work diligently to meet the deadline for submitting the project proposal by Friday. Metrics are measurable data or statistics used to assess performance, progress, or quality. Example: we use various metrics to track website traffic and user engagement, helping us make data-driven decisions. Deliverables are the tangible or intangible results or outputs that must be produced and delivered as part of a project. Example: one of the project's key deliverables is the final report, which summarizes our findings and recommendations. Stakeholders are individuals, groups, or entities with an interest or involvement in a project or organization. Example: it's essential to engage with stakeholders to gather their input and ensure their needs are considered. Action items. Action items are specific tasks or activities assigned to individuals or teams to complete in order to achieve project goals. Example: after the meeting, we'll distribute a list of action items, outlining who is responsible for each task. Risks are potential events or situations that could have negative impacts on a project's success. Example: identifying and mitigating risks is a crucial part of project management to ensure we're prepared for unforeseen challenges. An agenda is a list or plan of topics and items to be discussed or addressed during a meeting or event. Example: let's review the agenda for today's team meeting to make sure we cover all the important topics. Feedback is information, comments, or opinions provided to individuals or teams to help them improve or adjust their performance or work. Example: receiving constructive feedback from our customers has been invaluable in refining our product. Let's kick off the meeting. What's the status of our project? Are we on track to meet the deadline? Let's review the key milestones. Any challenges or roadblocks to report? What are the latest metrics showing? Who are the key stakeholders involved? Let's discuss action items and responsibilities. What risks are we currently facing? We'll follow the agenda for today's meeting. Good morning, everyone. Let's start our project status review meeting. Gavin, can you update us on the renovation project? Certainly, Mike. Overall, the renovation is progressing well. We've completed most of the work, including the painting, flooring, and electrical upgrades. That's great news. However, I heard there's a minor issue with the plumbing. Could you elaborate, Gavin? Yes, Sarah. We encountered a small leak in one of the bathroom pipes. It's been repaired, but we need to ensure there are no further issues. Thanks for addressing that, Gavin. What's the timeline for resolving this plumbing concern? We're scheduling a plumber to conduct a thorough inspection tomorrow. Once we get the all clear, we can proceed with the final touches and inspections. In the meantime, should we inform the client about this issue? Yes, Tom. It's best to keep the client informed. We'll send them a brief update about the situation and reassure them that it's being taken care of promptly. Excellent. Let's make sure we document this incident in our project report for transparency. Any other concerns or updates, team? Good afternoon, everyone. Let's begin our project status review meeting. Gavin, could you provide an update on the software development project? Of course, Mike. Overall, the software development is progressing smoothly. We've completed the front-end development and are now focusing on back-end integration. That's good to hear. However, I noticed in the last sprint that there were some delays in coding. Can you explain, Gavin? You're right, Sarah. We faced a few coding challenges in the last sprint that caused some delays. We encountered unexpected compatibility issues with a third-party library. How did the team handle those challenges? The team collaborated closely to address the issues. We conducted extensive testing and resolved the compatibility problems. We also updated our timeline to accommodate the delays. Thanks for the update, Gavin. What's the revised timeline for completing the back-end development? We've adjusted the timeline, and we're now aiming to finish the back-end development in 2 weeks, followed by thorough testing and quality assurance. Are there any resource constraints or dependencies we should be aware of? No major resource constraints, but we have dependencies on the QA team for testing, and we're coordinating closely with them to ensure a smooth transition. Great. Let's continue to monitor progress closely, and if there are any potential risks or issues, please escalate them promptly.